Have you been having trouble making content that stands out and gets people's attention for your channel? Well, worry no more. Content writers have been making waves in the content creation industry, and 2023 is the year of the machine. The demand for engaging in high-quality content has always been high, as has the pressure to deliver. However, with the assistance of AI content writers, you can now take a deep breath and relax. Do you want to know some of these AI content writers? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll go over the top 5 AI content writing software tools in 2023. Watch this video until the end to know all the important details. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Imagine being able to create content that not only engages but also captures your audience's attention and drives conversions. This dream is becoming a reality thanks to AI-powered writing assistants. These programs are made to understand subtleties in language and copy the style and tone of a human writer. This makes it almost impossible to tell the difference between content made by humans and content made by AI. With that being said, the first content writer we'll look at is Number 5. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a powerful artificial intelligence (AI) content writer software that changes our thoughts about content creation. This innovative tool is designed to help content creators generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds, and it's ideal for channels of all sizes and niches thanks to its intuitive workflow and customizable settings. But what distinguishes Copy.ai from the competition? Of course, its distinct features and capabilities. This software is designed to mimic the style and tone of a human writer, making the distinction between human-generated and AI-generated content nearly impossible. You can use Copy.ai to create content for various purposes like blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, etc. This software employs advanced algorithms and natural language processing to produce grammatically correct and stylistically sound content. But that isn't all. Copy.ai also provides several tools to assist you in fine-tuning your content and making it stand out. This software has everything you need to generate creative content that resonates with your audience and drives conversions, from a headline generator to a tone adjuster. Unlike many AI content writers, Copy.ai can generate long-form content such as product descriptions, landing pages, and even entire articles. Copy.ai's ability to generate content in multiple languages is another distinguishing feature. Supporting over 20 languages, this software can assist content creators in reaching a global audience and creating content that resonates with people worldwide. The ability of Copy.ai to learn from your feedback is perhaps its most impressive feature. You can provide feedback on the quality and style of the content as you use the software to generate it. Copy.ai can generate content tailored to your needs if you provide it with a keyword, a topic, or a description of your product or service. What about the pricing? Copy.ai provides both a free and paid content creation mode. The free plan allows one user seat and up to 2,000 words per month. Just so you're aware, 2,000 words is roughly 10 minutes of speech. In contrast, the Pro plan costs $35 per month and allows for unlimited words, long-form content generation, supports 25 languages, has content optimization tools, and integration with third-party platforms. You can easily generate high-quality content for your channel with Copy.ai. Look no further than Copy.ai for a powerful AI content writer that can help you streamline your content creation process and generate content that resonates with your audience. It's the ultimate tool for channels of all sizes and niches, thanks to its unique features, customizable settings, and intuitive workflow. Click our link in the description and discover the power of Copy.ai for yourself today. See how it can change your content strategy and propel your channel to new heights. The next content writer on the list is number 4. rytr.me. Rytr is an AI writing tool that can create a wide range of content. The program may be used to create website copy, marketing and sales copy, whole blog entries, and just about any other writing task you can think of. Everything is done using a simple internet gateway. Some of Rytr's advantages are its freemium status, meaning that it has a free tier of service, but you'll have to buy a subscription to get more features. It's also a very high value for the money and very easy to use. It's able to produce a variety of content, and you have control over the tone of your voice. While some of its downsides include the writing quality and some advanced functions that Jarvis provides are missing, rytr, it's an amazing value. There are 2 plans to choose from, a free plan and a premium plan for $29 per month. Some AI authoring tools, such as Phrase and Jarvis, do not provide free options. This is a fantastic addition to trying out the program before deciding whether it's worth paying for. The best part is that the free plan includes all of the features and functions included in the expensive version. The only difference is that the free version can only generate 5,000 characters every month, whereas the subscription version can generate an endless number of characters. For context, with spaces included in the character count, 5,000 characters equals between 714 and 1250 words. If spaces are excluded from the character count, 5,000 characters equals between 833 and 1667 words. If you intend to use rytr to generate long-form material, you should consider purchasing the premium edition. A monthly output of 5,000 characters is insufficient in our opinion. You also get a dedicated account manager, priority support, and access to the premium community for only $29 per month. When compared to pricey systems like Jarvis, this is a fantastic deal. You can try rytr for yourself for free by clicking my link in the description. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The next content writer on the list is number 3, rytr. Consider a world where you can produce high-quality content without lifting a finger. That world has arrived, and it is known as rytr. With its advanced machine learning algorithms that can easily generate everything from social media updates to product descriptions, this cutting-edge AI-driven content writer software is taking the world by storm. The ability of rytr to generate personalized content that resonates with your audience distinguishes it from other content creation tools. rytr can create content that speaks directly to your target audience's interests and needs by leveraging data and insights about them. It allows content creators to link with their audience in a more meaningful way. But don't be intimidated by its advanced capabilities. rytr is also extremely simple to use with an intuitive interface that makes creating content a breeze. rytr has everything you need to create engaging and effective content that drives results, whether you're a seasoned content creator or a newbie. What's more, the best part is that rytr is always evolving, with new features and capabilities being added regularly. It allows users to input specific details about their content needs and receive customized content recommendations based on their input. It also offers a one-of-a-kind feature called Content Briefs, which enables users to do both things. This feature helps users save time and effort by providing them with a starting point for the creation of their material, while at the same time giving them the ability to tailor that content to their requirements. Content creators who are looking to take their content creation to the next level will find that rytr is an excellent choice because of the innovative features it offers, as well as its versatility. What about the pricing? rytr provides several pricing plans to accommodate the needs of content creators of all sizes. The free plan offers the AI article writer, allows users to generate up to 10,000 words per month, chatsonic, a chat GPT like chatbot 100+ AI templates, supports over 25 languages, offers a landing page generator, one-click WordPress export, Zapier integration, browser extensions, a Google Docs-like editor called Sonic Editor, and API access. Remember that 2,000 words is roughly 10 minutes of speech, so 10,000 words is enough to create 50 minutes of speech per month. Their long-form plan allows you to have one user and starts at 75,000 words for $19 per month or $12.67 per month when paid annually. This is expandable up to $999 per month for 5 million words while allowing 15 users. It includes everything in free trial, plus the complete article rewriter, bulk processing, Surfer integration, priority support, and priority access to new features such as research mode and workflows, which are coming soon. With rytr AI, let AI take your writing to the next level. rytr is the ideal tool for content creators to streamline their content creation process and drive results with flexible pricing options and many powerful features. The next content writer on the list is number 2, copysmith.ai. Consider the following scenario. You have a tight deadline and must create compelling content to engage your audience and drive results. What are you going to do? You no longer have to worry about the hassle of content creation with Copysmith. Copysmith is a content writer software powered by AI that can generate high-quality, original content in minutes. Copysmith can analyze your input and create unique, engaging content that resonates with your target audience using its advanced machine learning algorithms. Copysmith's brand voice tool is one of its most distinctive features. Content creators can use this tool to tell the tone and personality of their brand, and it will then make content that fits that voice. It helps to establish and maintain a strong brand identity by ensuring that all content created with Copysmith is on brand and consistent. It also has a number of powerful features that can help content creators speed up the process of creating content and save time. Copysmith has everything you need to write compelling content quickly and easily, from YouTube video scripts to social media posts and email newsletters. However, it provides flexible pricing plans to accommodate content creators of all sizes. It offers the ability to try its plans for free, which makes me suspect that the free trial doesn't last forever. The starter plan costs $19 per month. It offers 5 users, 10+ integrations, unlimited in-app support, 20,000 max words, and 20 plagiarism checks per month. The professional plan costs $59 per month and gives users everything the starter plan gives, as well as 10 users, 80,000 words per month, and 100 plagiarism checks per month. The starter and professional plans can be purchased yearly at 10 times their monthly price, which essentially gives you 2 months for free. The Startup/Growth plan starts at $299 per month for 100,000 words and goes up to $499 per month for unlimited words. It offers everything the professional plan offers, plus 20 users, unlimited in-app support, bulk import and export, custom development, an account manager, unlimited words, and unlimited plagiarism checks. Copysmith is extremely simple to use. Its user-friendly interface makes content creation simple, even for those who have never written. Content creators of all sizes can use Copysmith to create high-quality content that drives results. Do you wish there was a more convenient way to create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your target audience? If so, we proceed to the next software on our list. Number 1. Jasper.ai. Jasper is one of the most popular artificial intelligence copywriting tools for creating YouTube scripts and pretty much anything else at a fraction of the normal cost or time. It's largely used for marketing copy, and the tool's homepage describes it as your AI writing assistant that makes it fast and easy to write material for your blog, social media posts, landing pages, web pages, and more. Fact-checking and monitoring the accuracy of content is required for all AI content creators. Jasper AI, on the other hand, can create very good text thanks to its natural language processing (NLP). But in this Jasper AI review, we discovered that when the output is split down paragraph by paragraph, it is surprisingly good, especially when compared to other AI copywriting solutions. Some of Jasper's pros include its ease of use, boss mode, Surfer SEO integration, and its ability to create human-quality content for multiple uses fast. Some of Jasper's drawbacks might be it still requires a plagiarism checker just in case. It's a bit pricey compared to other entries on this list, and it's best used with close human assistance. As far as pricing goes, Jasper doesn't officially have a free tier of service. However, it does allow its affiliates like Depbusters to offer free 10,000-word trials to their audiences. You can try Jasper for yourself for free by clicking my link in the description. They have one main level of service called Boss Mode, which offers over 50 AI templates, Google Docs style editor, Jasper Chat, Compose and Command features, and live chat support starting at $49 per month for 50,000 words. This can increase to $82 per month for 100,000 words, $232 per month for 300,000 words, $500 per month for 700,000 words, and beyond. They also have their business plan, which offers everything in boss mode, plus the ability to collaborate with more than 5 users, tailored AI brand voice, personalized onboarding and training, dedicated account manager, and will soon feature API access. You'll have to contact customer service to learn more about their pricing. It's clear that these tools are changing how people create content. They are quickly becoming essential for content creators and individuals who need to produce content at scale due to their ability to generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. As you can see, these tools are pushing the boundaries of what AI technology can do. Users can choose between free versions with limited functionality and premium plans with advanced features and more robust support. One thing is certain, AI will shake the future of content creation, and the tools we've looked at today are just the beginning. We expect to see even more advanced features and capabilities as these technologies evolve, further transforming how we create and consume content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Which of the tools mentioned was your favorite and why? Comment down below, let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the top 5 AI content writer software for 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing to clone VoiceOver using ElevenLabs. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to clone VoiceOver using ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.